Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. Bro. Turn the troll off. Turn the troll off. Oh my god, he's running. Why is he running so fast? Welcome back to another episode of CastWithUs, guys. It is a beautiful day out to catch some fish today. You guys might be thinking you're in the same outfit. Is this the same day as the last video? No, it is not. I have the same outfit on is because I'm in Wisconsin right now, and that's just an acceptable thing to do, is wear the same outfit 2 days in a row. I only bring one outfit to Wisconsin because I thought I was only coming here to 1 day, but same outfit, different day, and we're gonna go catch some fish. So let's get our rod in the water, sit back, enjoy the video, and let's go catch some fish. But this seems like a pretty decent spot to start casting. Seems a little bit rocky, but that's exactly what we want. This deep diving Rapala, the white one, the OG, the one that's got it done in the past few videos. Just cranking away through the water, and we're about to hit a tree. And the troll saves us from hitting a tree. I love fishing this island. I've actually never fished this island. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but I love fishing around the islands just because there's so many structures like inside the water. Like we're coming up around this corner right here. There's a huge tree just falling in the water, and it's almost just guaranteed like there's fish hanging out by those trees. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. Bro. Turn this troll off. Turn the troll off. Oh my god, he's running. Why is he running so fast? On the zebco, Jesus. Dude, this guy does not want to come out of there. No, don't get stuck in those trees. I really like this lure. I really like this lure. Come on, just give me back my lure and I'll let you go. Wow, that got my heart racing. Come on. All right, that's why exactly we have the net. But we got this big carp. That's not what we're looking for. But we did hook them. Foul hooked them, I'm pretty sure. Carp aren't known to go after random baits like these guys, but this was something I didn't think I was gonna catch today. But he was chilling by the shallows. See you later, Stinky. Hey, let's go. Hell yeah. I didn't even want to measure him. Carp, garbage fish. So let's go catch some more fish, guys. All right, this is exactly where we want to be. We got one. It's a big bass. I already saw him. Or actually, I'm not even sure. He's pretty big. Meet the net. Ooh, we got him. Let's go. Gotta turn this troll off. He must have been sitting right in those weeds. But there we... There he is. Look at that hook set right at the bottom jaw. We got him out. He's got a very lower jaw on him. Let's just get a quick length. So the length on him is going to be about 15 and a half, 16 inches. All right guys, there he is. Let's get him back in the water. All right guys, last spot to end the day off. Gonna get a little closer by these piers. And we're just gonna be casting right along these piers with different baits, since the other one got snagged. This is the shallower diver. Not diving deep. See if the blue color works for us. We got one. We got a pike. Jeez. That was quick. Got a pike. Not that big, but move our phone, a little slimy pike. There he is. Got the pliers ready to go. So that's why I always like to have these already out. Alright guys. There we go. We got like only like 5 more minutes of fishing, but we got this one. Let's get him back in the water. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. 3 species of fish: carp, snagged, pike, bass. Bass was pretty good size for today, yeah. But hopefully get some bigger ones in the future. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Any questions, comments for me, leave them down below. If you guys already haven't checked out our Cast With Us Instagram, go check that out for daily fishing tips, and you guys can get featured on the page. All you have to do is use hashtag CastWithUs and be following us, and we can feature you on our Instagram page. But that's pretty much it. If you guys want to keep following me on my fishing adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next Cast With Us adventure.